you know, Tommy Sofield is vice chair of our Board of Trustees, and his leadership on our board is just one of the many ways he serves our university and high country community. Tommy and Debbie Sofield are not just alumni. They are mountaineers in every sense of the word, and their family members are following in their footsteps. 3 generations of the Sofield family are part of the Mountaineer family, who exemplify what it means to be a mountaineer.
This means to the university the opportunity for our student athletes to be over the next generation. There'll be thousands of students that will be able to use this facility and be able to get in here and work hard, understand what it is to be a winner and what it takes to succeed in life. So we're just extremely excited to give them the opportunity to have a state-of-the-arts building here. They invested in me when I was a student athlete and gave me a scholarship, and for me to be able to give back now after all the years of watching the program grow, it's incredible how much it's gone in 50 years and what a team we have in the whole administration, our facilities, and everything that's happened up here. It's just exciting to be part of it.